Okay, this is after I went for a drive, so now we're going to start it up after it's hot. Slight whistle coming out of it until I hit the gas, and then you'll hear that air management valve again. Seems like it's idling pretty nice right now. Give it some gas, you can hear that thing again. RPMs are still running around 8. Well, here's a little thing I wanted to show you guys. I took out one of the vents and I found a boost gauge that fits perfectly in that spot. Put it in gear. So that's it running after it's been warmed up. Usually I can look at this mirror and you can see the mirror shaking. It's the whole car is shaking. That's one of my concerns. I just don't know